Hey Operation RV, I'm going to show you how to change your DEF pump in your 6.7 Cummins in less than 2 minutes. She's out, let's get to it. Alright, went ahead and used 15 mil and took 6 of these bolts out here of the plate, and went ahead and just pulled off the electrical there, pulled off the hold down for the tank. Let's show you the tank. Alright, the tank is out. Went ahead and looked inside, everything is clean and it's now empty. I got the new O-ring on it and the new pump. Literally just take your orange tabs, this is your heater portion, it monitors that. Literally just drop down in there. Use the locator, which is right there, for the tab. This tab right here. I'm going to drop it down in there, just like that. Make sure your tabs are good. Sits just like this. Sit flush. Next, we're going to take our locking ring, put it on here, lock it over, back to the install. So this is what plugs into the pump. You want to make sure you wrap this because you do not want the DEF fluid to get in it. It's urea, it's highly corrosive, and you'll mess up your electrical wiring. So go ahead and bag it, tape it, push it out of the way. All right, all I'm going to do is flip this upside down into the actual cradle here, or the guard. And I'm going to put the electrical box on top, and then I'll go ahead and put the 6 15mm bolts in each side to put it up. We're going to go ahead and do the filler hose. We'll go ahead and connect that to their ports, and then we'll go back up underside and put in the connection and add fluid, and we're pretty much done. Pneumatics definitely help the job a lot faster. If not, you guys will be turning a wrench for a bit, but it's pretty simple. 6 bolts, unplug everything, make sure you tape up your harness here, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just taking out the lock ring on the actual pump and reverse operation. That's it. And put back on the guard here, the 15 mil. Let's go ahead and put in the filler next hose. Go ahead and snap it back in. Put these 2 green buttons together and snap on. Remove the yellow safety cap. Make sure that metal pin is in this new one, okay? Go ahead and pull the hose back. Lock it in, that simple. I'm going to cut open the bag and hook up the electrical part. And there is the female part here. Zoom out. There we go. Pull this back like this. Lock it in. And then put it in the locking tab, and we're good. What a view of the horses. All right. So go ahead and close the cap, put in the 2 bolts, and we're going to put some DF in there, turn her on, and cycle it out. All right, truck's back on. It went ahead and did its cycle. It removed the 5-mile-per-hour limp mode, and check engine was still on, so I went ahead and grabbed my scanner, put it up to the OBD2 reader, and it did give me 5 codes. I had to go ahead and just delete those, turn it off, turn it back on. We're good. And I can't be happier. Had a quote with the Dodge dealership for $2,500 parts and labor on a DEF pump. So you're going to save yourself $2,100 on this job. Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. I really hope this video helps you guys out a lot. Go ahead and look down in the comments there. I'll go ahead and have the link to Amazon. You just click on that. You go ahead and get this part, which is the DEF pump. And I paid it, I think it was right around 470 bucks. So this part at the dealership house was like $1,500, and you're looking at probably another $1,000 for several hours of labor. Literally, my quote was $2,500. I did this by myself in probably 2 hours and saved myself 2,100 bucks. So again, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like my comment. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment, a thumbs down. Either way, I don't care. I want your feedback. And again, guys, go ahead and hit that thanks button if you want to send a donation to Operation RV. Until next time, God bless.